You can allow users to stream any Google Drive hosted audio-video files using Integrate Google Drive's Media Player module. To create a Media Player module, navigate to Google Drive from WordPress Admin Dashboard, Module Builder, click on Add New Module, select Media Player Module, rename the module based on requirement. From the Source tab, select Audio-Video Media Files and choose the video type, Embed or Direct Media. Embed will play the video using Google Drive's native embedded player. Here video will play through Google Drive server without using bandwidth of your website server, and Direct Media will play the video through your own server as proxy. Here video will play through your website server by using the hosting server bandwidth. From the Filter tab, configure file visibility based on extensions, file names, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure modules' advanced settings, such as Show Next Previous button, playlist style, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notifications for users' actionable activities, such as download notification, play notification, search notification, and others. From the Permissions tab, set permission access for the module, such as allow preview, download, search, set password protection, and others. You can also set module visibility for everyone or logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display the module. Users can now stream Google Drive hosted audio-video files from WordPress platform.